When we say forward, forward are simple a contract between two parties A and B for some underlying at predefined condition which these both party agreed, and this is for a future date at predefined price. What does this mean? And both the parties, they sign this contract, both the parties are obliged to honor this contract. Now what does this mean? Suppose you met a farmer who is selling apple or anything, any commodity. You make a contract with that guy that after 3 months you will buy 1000 kg of apple at some certain price, maybe 80 rupees per kg depending upon the condition, for a date of 3 months from now. That is, suppose today is 1st January and you make a contract of 1st of April. That means you have made a contract with a farmer, and you are a businessman, you have made a contract with a farmer that you are going to buy 1000 kg of apple at a price of 80 rupees after 3 months from now. So this is a contract which is made between you and that farmer, and after 3 months you both have to honor your contract. That means you will pay 1000 into 80 rupees to that guy, that is 80,000, and that guy will give you 80 kg of apple. So when we make such type of contract which is between only two parties, that we call it as a forward. Now when the same thing do through these transactions are done as, we can say, OTC, that is over the counter transactions. These are called as over the counter. We call them as over the counter transactions. Now when we do the same transaction at our exchange, that means we are doing some same sort of transaction with the exchange, then we call it as a futures. That means if today we decide to buy a contract, a future contract from from our trading, from our exchange, and we make such sort of contract, then we call it as a future. So in forward there is no regulatory, it's simply between two people. But in futures we have regulatory called SEBI, and we buy it from exchange. When we buy it from exchange, that is called futures. That is called futures. So it's not just that we can only buy futures. We have in derivative, in our stock market, we have two options where we buy futures, and we have options. Options are of two types: call options and put options.